Now what is my video today? Of course, it happens to be with this, about this water fill valve. This here is called a toilet fill valve, and this one's universal, meaning that it basically fits in pretty much any standard height toilet such as this, the standard ones, okay? And this one happens to be from Fluid Master. If you want to watch that, stick around. Now here's some important things to realize. The reason why I'm going to be replacing this is because normally every other time I flush this particular toilet, it runs and the water comes all the way up to the top and it starts draining right here at the drain line, and the water won't stop. I made numerous attempts at trying to adjust this, because there's a way to adjust that ball down there, the sliding ball. This ball right here slides up and down with this adjustment screw. Nowadays it's a plastic threaded screw. You can tighten it or loosen it, and that'll raise or lower this, because this is all threads all the way up there. So you tighten it, the screw, and this ball goes up. You loosen the screw and the ball goes down, I believe is how that works. And this was an older style. It had a metal one with a little pinch thing here that you do manually. You pinch that together, lift it up on the slide to raise the ball. Pinch it and push it down. That pushes the ball down. Well, nowadays they don't have one like that, but I tried to adjust it, and there's a way to clean this out. There's a way to lift that off, and there's a way to replace the gasket. I'm not going to replace the gasket on that, but you can get a gasket. See, this gasket will fit on there, and it fits on just Fluid Master, the 200, 400, and 747 models. This happens to be a 400 series Fluid Master. Will this go on a corky or a different type of fill valve? Probably not. And do they have something similar like this? Maybe. I don't know. Usually I do the Fluid Masters. I've had much luck with the Fluid Masters and all that kind of stuff. Easy to install, okay? Don't pay a plumber to come out here and fix this for you, because guess what? How many toilets do you have in your house? If you know how to fix one toilet, if you know how to adjust that and do all that kind of stuff, you know how to do different things on a toilet, then next time you have an issue with another toilet, guess what? You can fix that one too. But if you know nothing about it and you want to put your head in the sand and say, I'll just pay somebody to do this, $125 to replace that, or $150 to replace that? Okay. And then a couple months down the road, you have another toilet go out, and you know you're going to have to call up the same plumber. You know what the bill's going to be about, right? But if you can fix it yourself for less than $10, why not learn how to do that? Okay? Why not learn how to adjust things? Why not learn how to clean that? Why not learn how to test it? That's what this video is about. So if you want to watch that, stick around.